Hi. So if you are a Linux user, I mean, if you are using any Ubuntu-based distro or Ubuntu, so you can follow this tutorial. I mean, uh, in this tutorial, I will show you how you can install the Docker for your dev environment in your Ubuntu machines. So the steps you can follow any Ubuntu-based distro like Pop OS, even Mint. So here I just open the documentation of Docker. So if I check this one, it says a native Linux application that deliver all Docker tools to your Linux computer. So what basically the Docker desktop version, it's a GUI, and GUI means the graphical user interface. So I earlier I used this, but I see it I mean, it takes lots of resources, as I'm not have any fancy device or high config device. Very limited 8 GB RAM and 256 SSD with the Core i5. So I need to use minimum or the minimal resource to use the Docker. So I will not follow the conventional way of installing the Docker. To run a Docker, you must have Docker engine, and then instead of Docker GUI, which provides the Docker desktop, we can use the Docker CLI. That will serve my purpose and also save my resource. Let's begin. So for installing this, as you can see, I have no Docker installed currently, and obviously we will take the help of the AI. So here in my ChatGPT, I asked him to show me the steps about installing the Docker engine and the Docker CLI. So it says these steps. So I'll copy them. So it will update my repo. So I'll click this one. Okay. It's update. There are I mean my Ubuntu and related packages. Next, I need to add this. So what it says, Docker requires a few dependencies to be installed. Run the following command. So this is the site dependency to install the Docker, run the Docker. So here it is, and it says upgrading 0 installation to removing 0. So we will type yes. Okay, pretty fast. Okay, also these steps completed, and now we will add this GPG key. So GPG key, basically, I mean, it will ask me to sign in because it will trace wanted to trace the user who are using it. So also need to this one. Okay, taking time. Okay, so the GPG key probably added, nothing, it not asked for signing to any Docker things. Okay, so I think to follow the next step. Okay, so the next step is set up the stable Docker repository. So add the Docker repository to apt sources, so you can install Docker from it. So let's copy, go to the terminal, paste it. Okay, so the repo has been added, and we will again, it says update your packages. So I'm following it and update it again. Some sources can be modernized, no need now. And now it says the main things: install Docker engine and Docker CLI. So this is the command, and this will enable the Docker engine and Docker CLI both. Okay, press Y. Wait for the installation to be done. Okay, we just completed to download the Docker engine and the Docker CLI. So the next thing is I'll check the version. Where are you? So if I should run this using the sudo, so it says your Docker version is 28.2222. Okay, need to do some other tweaks, because say allow running Docker without sudo, to avoid typing sudo every time time you run Docker. Let's check my make file. So here I pre-write some code, Docker command, so there is no sudo there, so I must follow them to run Docker without sudo. Let's copy this one and then go to the terminal. Okay, and it's done. To apply the group change, log out and log back, or run the following command. Okay, I will not log out or log back as I'm recording, so I will try this command. Okay, very good. Then start and enable Docker service. So I guess this is important. So paste here. Okay, so the Docker may be enabled, and if I type this command and if I run the hello world, unable to find the image hello world latest, but it's pulling out from the server. So far so good, I guess. So let's try to build a container. Close the terminal. Then this is a Laravel project mine, and I'm in a terminal. So if this is my root directory, right? So I want to build the image. What should I type? Make build up. Okay. Make build done up. So it says, say you have no make. Let's copy this one, and then install the make Studium 20. Okay. Okay, it's downloading my make file. Okay, my make file is completed. I don't want to ask Copilot. I mean, really annoying things. This shit. How can I move it? Fuck off. Okay, make build up. So what it says, Docker compose the attribute version is obsolete. It will be ignored. Please remove it. Unable to get the image. Ready the permission denied while trying to connect the Docker daemon socket. I mean, I guess I need to restart my PC. So after restart, I'll be back again. Okay, after restarting my PC again, I'm on my VS Code with opening the directory. Let's build the image. Oh, now it's working. So it's fetching all these. I mean, if I check the Docker compose YML file, all this what it says, all this image related to this project is putting. So this is how you can I mean, you can use without Docker desktop, and it's not taking that much resource. Okay, and hope you, if you have face any issues, you can write comment below in my video. I will try to answer. So take care. Thank you very much.